Hello there friends and welcome back. This video marks an important milestone for Communication Coach. Last week I posted a video on politeness theory. That was the channel's 100th video. So I am thrilled to have posted 100 videos to YouTube. When I was dreaming up this channel a couple of years ago, that number would have completely freaked me out and intimidated me. But by plugging away and posting one video per week, almost 2 years later, here we are. Now, I did take a couple of vacations planned in there so I could travel and do some other things. And I'm about to take another kind of vacation from the channel because I'm making an online course for you all. As you can see in this new setup, and I have a second camera. Right now, I'm in the middle of creating an online course, so I have to hit pause and not post weekly YouTube videos for a little while I do this, because I can't make weekly YouTube videos and make an online course and keep my sanity all at the same time. But I will be back with weekly videos in a few weeks, and I look forward to seeing you again then. And I look forward to telling you more about this online course once it's all done and ready to go. So thanks, God bless, and I will see you in a few weeks.